So next is the reductive phase. Reductive phase the main ਗੱਲ ਕੀ ਹੈ कि here is the reduction of the first stable compound, that is the 3-phosphoglycerate, towards the main intermediator, that is the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, which will lead to the formation of sugar, which is a 6-carbon compound, that is the fructose 6-phosphate. So usi formation honi zaruri hai, because that fructose 6-phosphate will further allow the formation of the another kind of carbohydrates, whether the simple whether the complex one. ठीक है. So reductive phase which obvious है, reduction किस चीज़ की हो रही है, that is the 3-phosphoglycerate, which requires the two main enzyme, that is the phosphoglycerate kinase enzyme, and another one is the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase enzyme. So फर्स्ट ਜਿਹੜਾ enzyme ਹੈ that is the phosphoglycerate kinase enzyme. So kinase ਹੈ ਰਾਜੇ, ਜਦੋਂ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ ਰੱਖੋ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਕਦੇ kinase enzyme ਆ ਜਾਵੇ that means it requires the ATP molecule. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. So with that of ATP, because ਆ phosphoglycerate ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੀ ਸੀਗਾ, ਇੱਕ phosphate group attached at the third carbon, but with the help of this kinase enzyme that will allow the attachment of another phosphate from the ATP, because this ATP has to be hydrolyzed into the ADP as well as the inorganic phosphate. So this inorganic phosphate will combine towards the first carbon of the 3-phosphoglycerate. ठीक है. So ADP ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬਾਹਰ ਰਿਲੀਜ਼ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, और ਜਿਹੜਾ inorganic phosphate है that has to combine towards the first carbon. ठीक है. And that will lead to the formation of 1,3-biphosphoglyscerate. ठीक है. So 1,3-biphosphoglyscerate the formation होगी from that of the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. ठीक है. Then this 1,3-biphosphoglyscerate will undergo the dehydrogenation reaction. So dehydrogenation reaction, as well as we can say, is that the phosphorylase reaction. Phosphorylase or the dehydrogenation reaction ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੈ, there is a dehydrogenation in the sense there is a removal of the hydrogen content. ठीक है. From that of the reducing power, that means मतलब कि dehydrogenation in the sense removal of the hydrogen from one component and it will further get attached towards the another component. ठीक है. So NADPH तो basically electrons भी donate होंगे, as well as it will also donating their H positive ion towards the 1,3-biphosphoglyscerate. ठीक है. At the first carbon. So ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇੱਕ हाइड्रोजन इथों रिलीज होएगा, because this NADPH will lead to the formation of their oxidized form, that is the NADP positive plus H positive ion, and this H positive ion it will get attached towards the first carbon. ठीक है. So first carbon तो जाके attach कर जाएगा, and plus there is a removal of one phosphate group from that of the first carbon, that means phosphorylation reaction ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇੱਥੇ take place होगी. Dephosphorylation in the sense there is a removal of the phosphate group from the first carbon. ठीक है. And here there is a formation of the aldehyde group at the first carbon. So अपने कोल बन की गया कि glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate सीगा, sorry 3-phosphoglycerate सी, means एक एसिड सी, एसिड तो अपने कोल की बन गया, एक एल्डिहाइडिक बन गया. दैट मीन्स वी कैन से दैट दी 3-phosphoglyceric एसिड, जिमें आप इतने इनू कह रहे सी ग्लिसरिक एसिड सीगे, हियर वी कैन से दैट द glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, बिकॉज इट कैरिंग्स द एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप. ठीक है. बाकी चीज़ सेम ही है, बाकी द स्ट्रक्चर एज इट इज सेम रहेगा, जस्ट फर्क कितने होएगा एट द फर्स्ट कार्बन. हेयर इज द कार्बोक्सिल ग्रुप, बट हेयर इज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द aldehyde group. So this is the reductive phase where it will further lead to the formation of the carbohydrate, undergoes into the third step, that is the carbohydrate formation, where this glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate will combine with that of the dihydroxyacetone 3-phosphate to forming the, here it will forming the fructose 1,6-biphosphate, which will forming the fructose 6-phosphate. Clear?